Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create a tree view in React. So this is the demo for this tree view application. So if you see here, we will be getting the different data. Tree view in the sense data inside the data or array inside an array. So if you see here, this employee consists of different data, and this data Sai Kumar or Suresh consists of another data like this. So if you see CEO and Krishna like this. So let's see how to code this. So first we have to install this command. I will be giving enter this code in my blog, which I am giving in the description of my YouTube channel. So you can go there and copy there. So first we have to install this command. For this I have created an application called as React 1, and in this I am going to do entire thing in user.js. So as you have already seen, I have created navigation in app.js by using React Router DOM. If you have not watched this series, you can go back to my channel and watch that. Now I am going to do entire coding for the tree view in user.js. So I am going to install this command. Let's wait until it gets installed. So the command got successfully installed, and if you want to verify that, you can go back to package.json and you can check here in the dependencies. You will be seeing React tree view of 0.4.7 version. So now we have to import this tree view from React tree view, and this is the CSS mandatory for getting the styles of tree view. Now I'm going to import this here, and another thing is you have to import this CSS or any global CSS or local CSS at the end of all the imports, because it maintains the consistency. So whenever you refer these imports, you will be able to easily identify the CSS files or any other imports. So it is the best practice. And next one is we have to use this data source. So I'm going to explain this data source for you. So we are using this functional component, and in this I am going to write this data source. So if you see here in the data source, it will consist of the array, and inside that we will be having another array for the internal view. So if you see here, the employees is the outer array, and this Sai Kumar and Suresh are the inner arrays. So if you see here, this is the data source, and for this employees and CEOs is the outer array objects, and inside we will be having people array, where we will be having another objects. So this is called as array of array, and we can use this for tree view. Next we have to use this and paste in here. So I don't think there is much I have to explain here, because it can be easily understandable. So we are using this data source, and we are looping the data source so that we can get employees and CEO. And next one, in that particular loop we will be getting the node or anything we can write, and in that node dot people is the array. So for that I am using another loop by using map. So from that person I am going to use age, sex and role name, etc. And from the outer loop I am going to use the type. You can see here I am using the type. And next one is so once this is done, you have to save this and I am going to run my application by using npm start. So this command will compile our application and run our application in the browser. So if you see here, application got compiled successfully, and once you open the browser you are able to see this. So you should be able to see this, and here there will be stylings. So this is all about review application. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on React and Angular. Thank you.